Hello friends, welcome back to Active Education Pro. Today we are going to complete the last part of our topic time, speed and distance. Let us complete. Here the question is given that a person travels equal distances with speeds 3 km per hour, 4 km per hour and 5 km per hour and takes a time of 47 minutes. Find the distance in kilometer. We have to find out the total distance covered by the body. Given that it covers equal distances with speeds 3 km per hour, 4 km per hour and 5 km per hour. That means it covers 3 equal distances with 3 different speeds. Let the equal distance be x kilometer. So, distance, it covers 3 equal distances. That means it will cover 3 equal distance of x kilometer, and here given that 3 different speeds. So for first part the speed is 3 km per hour, for second part the speed is 4 km per hour, and for third part the speed is 5 km per hour. And given that it takes a total time of 47 minutes. Now we will find time for the first part, for the second part and for the third part, and then we will add and equate with 47 minutes so that we can find the value of x. We know that time is distance by speed. So for first part time t1 will be equal to x by 3 hour. For second part time t2 will be x by 4 hour, and for third part time t3 will be equal to x by 5 hour. So the total time will be t will be equal to t1 plus t2 plus t3. Here t1 is x by 3, t2 is x by 4 and t3 is x by 5. The LCM of 3, 4, 5 will be equal to 60. So it will be equal to 20x plus 15x plus 12x. It will be equal to 47x by 60 hour. But this 47x by 60 hour will be equal to 47 minutes because it takes a total time of 47 minutes. So it will be equal to 47x by 60 will be equal to 47 minutes. Here the time is in hour. So we have to convert this 47 minutes to hour. It will become 47 by 60 hour. Now 47x by 60 will be equal to 47 by 60. 60 will be cancelled in both sides and here 47 will be cancelled. So x becomes 1 kilometer. So x becomes 1 kilometer. We have to find out the total distance. Here total distance is sum of these 3 x. So total distance will be equal to 3x kilometer. Here x is 1. So 3 into 1 is equal to 3 kilometer. So the total distance for this question is 3 kilometer. I repeat, the question is given that a man covers 3 equal distances with speeds 3 km per hour, 4 km per hour, 5 km per hour, and it takes a total time of 47 minutes. But here the equal distance is not given. We have to find out the total distance. Let us take the equal distance is x kilometer. So it covers first x kilometer in 3 km with a speed of 3 km per hour, second x kilometer distance with a speed of 4 km per hour, and third x kilometer distance in 5 km per hour speed. Now we have to find out distance in these three parts. We know that time is equal to distance by time, distance by speed. So for first part, time t1 will be equal to distance x by 3. That is x by 3 hour. In the second part, similarly t2 will be x by 4 hour, and the third part t3 will be x by 5 hour. Now we will calculate the total distance, which will be the sum of x by 3 plus x by 4 and x by 5. By calculating, we find that the total distance, the total time is 47x by 60 hour. But the time here is given that it is total time of 47 minutes. The man takes a total time of 47 minutes. Here time is in hour, so you have to convert the time in minutes to hour. So I will divide it with 60. So it becomes 47 by 60 hour. Now we will equate these values with this. So here we will find that x is 1 kilometer, but the total distance is x plus x plus x, that is 3x kilometer. So the value of 3x will be 3 into 1 is equal to 3 kilometer. Now we will solve another problem. The question here is given that 3 persons are walking from a place A to another place B. Their speeds are in the ratio 4:3:5. What will be the ratio of time to reach B by these persons? Here the ratio of their speeds given, which is 4:3:5. We have to find out the ratio of their time. Remember one thing, when two persons are traveling with a speed A, first person traveling with a speed of A and second person is traveling with speed B, and the ratio of their speed is A is to B, and they are traveling the same distance, then the ratio of their time will be the reverse of their speeds. I am repeating, when two persons are traveling with a speed and their speed A and B, and the ratio of their speeds is A is to B, and they are traveling the same distance, the ratio of their time will be reverse of their speed. That is, here the ratio of the time will be 1 by A is to 1 by B. Now take LCM, and LCM will be equal to AB. Here LCM is also will be equal to AB. Now you have to make them equivalent fractions. So as we have multiplied B here, so it will come B in the numerator, and in the second fraction we have multiplied A with this denominator, and A will come here. So this becomes B by AB is to A is to AB. Now cancelling AB on both sides, it will become B is to A. So the ratio of their time is B is to A. So from here we got that when two persons are traveling with some speed and the ratio of the speed is A is to B, and they are traveling the same distance, the ratio of their time will be equal to B is to A. That is reverse of their speeds. Now I am coming to the question. Here is given that 3 persons are traveling with speed ratio 4:3:5. 3 persons traveling with speed ratios 4:3:5, and the ratio of their time will be equal to 1/4:1/3:1/5, because they are traveling the same distance. These 3 persons are traveling the same distance. So the ratio of their time will be reverse of their speeds, that is 1/4:1/3:1/5. Now take LCM of 4, 3 and 5. LCM of 4, 3, 5 will be equal to 60. Now make equivalent fractions of these fractions with denominator 60. So it will become 15. So it will become, we will multiply with the first denominator with 15, so that it becomes 60 in the denominator. In the second denominator we will multiply 20, so that it becomes 60. In the third denominator we will multiply 12, so that it becomes 60 in the denominator. So this becomes 15 by 60 is to 20 by 60 is to 12 by 60. Now we will cancel 60 because 60 comes in the three, both in the three equations, three ratios. So it will become 15 is to 20 is to 12. So the ratio of their times will be equal to 15 is to 20 is to 12. Now I am repeating. Here the question is given that 3 persons are traveling from a place A to place B with ratios of their speeds is 4 is to 3 is to 5. We have to find out the ratio of the time. We know that when 3 persons are traveling some equal distance, some distance which is fixed, and with a speed ratio of 4 is to 3 is to 5, that time ratio will be equal to their inverse of speeds, that is 1 is to 4, sorry 1 by 4 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 5. Now we will make these three fractions equivalent fraction with a denominator of 60. So when we make these equivalent fractions with the denominator 60, it becomes 15 by 60, 1 by 3 becomes 20 by 60, and 1 by 5 becomes 12 by 60. 60 comes in these three fractions. Now we will cancel 60, so the ratio becomes 15 is to 20 is to 12. So the ratio of their time will be 15 is to 20 is to 12. Thank you friends for watching our video. Please like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you.